Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be updating you on the latest updates on Memefi. Okay, so you need to do all this before claiming your Memefi. Okay, claiming Memefi token is by 1 p.m. while the listing is by 2 p.m. Okay, so you need to get ready before the listing time. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is to fund your wallet address with SU token. Okay, if you have not added the SU wallet to your OKX Web3 wallet, you just click on this place to add it. Okay, then you search for it here, SU. So you just click on the plus sign here because I've added my own. That's why it's showing minus sign. Okay, so you just click on the plus sign to add it. Then you go to your favorite exchange to send SU to the wallet and get ready for the claiming. Okay, because after claiming, you are either going to swap it in the OKX Web3 wallet, or you are going to send it out to another exchange where they will be listing Memefi token. Okay, so after funding your wallet with the SU token, the next thing you are going to do is for you to add the contract address to your OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, for you to add Memefi contract address to the OKX Web3 wallet. And how do you do that? You click on this place that I just circled. So you click on this custom crypto. Okay, I'm going to drop the details that you need below this video, the contract address and all the details that you need. I'm going to drop it below this video. Okay, so you change this network to SU. Okay, so you need to scroll down for you to see SU. Okay, so you click on it. So you're going to paste the contract address here. So once you paste the contract address, you click on this place, then the symbol and decimal point will autofill. Okay, so you click on confirm. Okay, click on confirm. So guys, after adding the contract address, you come back, you scroll down, you see that it has been successfully added. So if you're claiming your Memefi token, you're going to see it here. Okay, if you cannot get your SU token for gas fee, I can actually help you and get from my vendor. Okay, I'm also going to make a video on how to claim your Memefi token. Okay, for some of you that have been asking me on my WhatsApp, I should make a video on how to claim your Memefi token. Once is live, I'm going to make a video and post it in my YouTube channel. Okay, please, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. And if you are not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it and join my WhatsApp group, because it's not every update that I drop in my WhatsApp group that I drop in my YouTube channel. Okay,